River, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Like, it was so hard for me to do that, but like, for the task, so I hope we talk later and then we clear things out. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry if I pushed your buttons. It was really not, that was our intention. That was our intention, but like, it was not real, and I hope you for.
Hindi rin ako yun, hindi rin ako. Sorry, ako, sorry rin sa kanina. Basta okay tayo, okay tayo.
Nang kumalma na ang mga emosyon ay patuloy na nagpaliwanagan sina Shuvi at River.
Pero yun lang talaga magti-trigger sa akin talaga kung may ina-appear, may parang binubuli, sobrang kawawa yung isa.
Sorry,
Yun talaga I had to. Yun talaga yung limit. Yun, grabe. Di ko, nagulat rin ako sa sarili ko. Kasi hindi talaga ako good mood, hindi talaga ako. Pero, at least, gumana talaga. Namin ko yan sa acting ko. Pero no matter how many times, kung tamaan mo ako kanina, kung sapakin mo ako, hindi kita yan. Hindi kita. Kaya not, you don't have to worry.